Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited because today I'm doing an unboxing. I need to try to do more of these for you guys and vlog the stuff I get in the mail because I always forget. But I got a package from Luminous. I'm so excited because I ordered 2 necklaces from her before and I got some more because she had some good deals. Ooh, I'm so excited. There's so much in here. Let's see. Well, more like 2 necklaces and then these guys. There's these prayers. Let's see. Get out all the paper so it doesn't fall out. So a little thank you note. Ooh, this is cool. There's other affirmations and prayers in here. I'll definitely let you guys see these. How funny. These are stuff actually that I need right now, the prayer that I see. This is so funny. Keep shining, beautiful one. This world needs your light. She always has a bunch of fun, inspirational prayers and good vibe stuff in there and affirmations. And now it's time to dive into the necklaces. Ooh, I'm so happy. I got 2 for the price of 1 because she had a crazy big blowout sale. She had like 70% off, so I'm like, I'm gonna go up on that bandwagon and get me some crystals. Okay guys, I pulled the first one open. Let's see. Ooh, this is the clear quartz crystal. This is so pretty, guys. I love it. Ooh. This is so nice. I love this, guys. Look at it. It's crazy. It's a huge clear quartz crystal. I'll definitely do some close-ups for you. I love this so much. It's so nice. Imagine if this was a ring. Huge crystal ring. It's a beautiful clear quartz necklace. I love it so much. I love this, guys. I'm so happy. Yay. So I got that one, and then time to open this one. I was trying to do it nice so I could save the box, but like, I just want to see my crystal bracelets, or necklaces I mean. I'm not in the mood to like cut it open and get some scissors inside the house. Ooh, and then I think she changed the chain for me because I wanted a different chain, so that was really sweet of her. And oh, look at the citrine, guys. This one's even more magical. I'll definitely have to have close-ups for you. They're these really cool crystal necklaces that you just like pop on your body, and just look at that, guys. Like boom, you got a huge statement crystal necklace. I love these so much. Thank you so much, Luminous. I love your store and your fun product. I hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing video. I'm gonna try to have a video for you guys every week. I hope you enjoyed this one, and until next time, I'll see you guys then. Blessed be.